I'm really pleased today to also introduce a new program that we are launching this year. This is a 1 year's master which is offered online called MA in Education and Technology. This program was designed drawing on our extensive expertise in the area of educational technology. Through the Connected Learning initiatives, we had a 5-year-long collaboration with MIT, learning about resource development and design, how to use technology with teachers and to address questions of scale in India. This program was awarded the UNESCO King Hamad Prize for excellence in the use of educational technology in 2018. The MA Education and Technology program has been designed drawing on many industry experts and offers a very rich range of courses, and many of these industry experts are going to teach in this program. The program is online, so even working professionals can sign up for this program and engage with it. The program offers specializations. You may choose to specialize in product design. You may choose to specialize in teacher professional development using technology, or in working on program implementation and working on scale. The program will include a capstone project so that students have an opportunity to engage with industry and learn through some kind of practical experience which the capstone project is designed to offer.